So you, let's say that one exists in my lecture notes. Okay, do you find what that is, and then study the notes and then relate it to it. Okay. All right. So people want me to go over notes 18 and then bottom SN1, SN2, SN1, E1. Okay. So it's bottom is the comparison between SN1 vs E1. We are go over the mechanism writing with iodide, okay? And then it's basically water and ethanol. What are we doing? So we're comparing the mechanism. So I want to show a bunch of things. Okay, for mechanism, we are going to write, okay, mechanism. Okay, SN1. I'll still do color coding, okay? My iodide leaf, which is the leaving group leaf, will form a carbocation, right? And my water, HOH, will attack to it. Can from bottom or top or bottom. I'll just use this show top or bottom. Okay, now it's a blue bond, so I'll use blue. And you have another molecule of water coming in. Grab the hydrogen and then do it. Okay. And previously our iodide leave, right? Our iodide. Okay, our iodide was here. Okay, our iodide can grab this hydrogen. Okay. Am I good? Just stop here. So I think people know it. Yes.
I just had a quick question. On like that first that step right there, does the arrow have to be drawn to the hydrogen or can it be drawn to the oxygen, the one coming from the water molecule?
You cannot draw to oxygen. If it's a wrong arrow, if you draw to oxygen.
So it has to be drawn to hydrogen?
Yeah. That's why I said write your mechanism and bring it to your TA. Okay. Or tutor. Or whoever, I don't know. Okay. There are a lot of time people think, I think it's close enough. It's not. We grab hydrogen and transfer bond. Keep in mind, your arrow is showing the transfer of electrons. If it's not bonded to oxygen, you should not show an arrow bound to oxygen, okay? It's forming this bond between hydrogen and oxygen. You are not forming bond between oxygen and oxygen, okay? Okay, E1. The same step. As before, you form a carbocation. But now, your water is gonna to grab hydrogen and form double bond. Okay, now your iodide from the previous step is grabbing this. Am I good just not to show the rest? Okay. Your iodide is grabbing this. Yes?
Just a quick question then. Just because on this one, even though technically they had the same with like the H3O, on one of them you chose to do H3O plus, while the other one you just did H2O.
Yeah, it's the same thing because see H3O plus or H2O, it's the same thing. We care about your major product.
Okay,
This
so either way to write it out would be fine then?
yeah.
Okay.
It's fine in my class. It's not fine in Dr. Levin's. Okay. Dr. Levin's will have clear clue on what she wants you to write. Her exam is really, she will ask you to write a protonated way or like you will see them. She has specific requirements on those.
Alright.
Okay. It's fine if you write water or H3O plus, or maybe she changed. I don't know. I should not say, but it's just like different instructors have different expectations on how this should be right.
And so if we do write the H2O, should we also include the HI, for example, in this case, or does that not have to be there?
These are all byproducts. If there are any byproducts, you should include.
Okay.
Okay. Are we good? Are we good? Okay.
So it's like HI and H2O are byproducts?
Yes.